Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix responsiveness on your site on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, I won't be showing you specifically anything, I'll just be giving you a few pointers, and mostly what happens with responsiveness is your site might be overcrowded, or in other words, you might have too many code lines going on, you might have too many things to load, and that can be a problem. Now, what you're going to need to do first is make sure that all the media you have fits in the resolution that it needs to be. If you have videos really don't need to be 2K or 4K on your website. 1080p is more than enough, in my opinion, for videos and for images alike. If you're planning on using the image on a small piece of your website, make sure the resolution is small enough so that it doesn't cause, well, pretty much congestion, and that should be it. Other than that, you should order your CSS code and your JavaScript code to be, well, sorted by priorities. The things you want to load first should be up at the top of your CSS code, and you should also delay any JavaScript scripts running before the main things are loaded, since they can slow down your site loading. Now, to edit your CSS, you can do so manually or with a plugin. I can't access plugins, so I'll show you manually. Go into Appearance, and then here at the bottom, you'll see additional CSS. Just go there, and then you'll be able to add any CSS you want. Other than that, you can access your site's files using a file manager or an FTP program, which will then enable you to edit your site's files. Go to your PHP files and change the HTML or CSS. Mainly the CSS, that's what's going to cause you the most problems with responsiveness. But pretty much you just need to keep in mind what sort of content you're using, what has to load first, delay any animations or any images. You can also delay any images from loading or enable lazy image loading to make sure that when images are not in view, they aren't loaded, so as to improve the readability and the loading times of your site, which can fix responsiveness. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.